different Free Fire from our internet or from our internet device. So here I am using internet device SE8372H. So this is my device I am using, and I will show you that how we can disable or block different users from this device. So this device is also using different companies like Zone, 4G, 3G and Upon, Telenor, Warid. All these are different companies which use this device. If you are using all these devices, so you can easily disable all our users, or you can easily block all our users from this device. So if you are using Airtel device, so then also you can easily disable all your different users from this device. So here in this video I will show you that how we can block all different users from our Wi-Fi device. So let's get started. So let's see how we can block all these different users from our network or from our Wi-Fi that have been already connected by all these different users. So before I am going to show all these tips and tricks, so I would like to show my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, as you can see, and here we have different tutorials related to Android, related to computer and related to earning on internet. So all these different tutorial we have uploaded to our YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So click here on subscribe button to subscribe my YouTube channel for more video. So now let's see how we can disable or how we can block different users from our Wi-Fi or from our network. So here you have to add our Wi-Fi device address. So 192.168.8.1 as my Wi-Fi device IP. So through this IP I will access my Wi-Fi device. So I will just enter and I will access my device through this IP and you can see this is my Zone 4G device, and here we have different information, send and receive in MBs, and the duration of my device that I have connected, and here WLAN status which is on, and current WLAN user. We have 3 different users that have been connected with this Wi-Fi device, and now I am just going to show you that how we can disable or how we can block all these different users that have been already connected with our device. So let's see, I will just click on statistics, and here you have to enter your username of your device and password of your device. By default its username and password is admin. So if you have changed this username and password, so you have to use your username and password. So I have the same user and password, so I will access my modem or my Wi-Fi device, as you can see. So from here now I can block or I can disable different users from this device. As you can see here, 3 devices connected with my Wi-Fi device. So 2 Android phone is connected with my Wi-Fi device, and 1 computer is connected with my Wi-Fi device, as you can see. So if you would like to block or disable one of Android device, so you can disable or block that device from here by clicking the block link. So I will just click on this block link and I will add this Android phone to my blacklist. So now this phone cannot access or cannot use my internet, so because I have added this Android phone to my blacklist. So now this phone is disconnected from my network or from my Wi-Fi device. So if you like to add or again connect this device to our network, so you have to delete this device from this blacklist, so then this device can again connect to your Wi-Fi. So you can also block this device. So I will click on the block, so it will be disconnect from our Wi-Fi and it will be added to our blacklist. So this is the tutorial. I hope you would like this tutorial. If you have any problem or if you have any suggestions, so leave comments below and like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.